everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a really quick video. This is just a very small haul video of some items that I picked up from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. This is pretty much the only time of year I ever buy anything from Bath & Body Works, and most of the time it's like just body lotions, and I just stock up on body lotions for the whole year at an extremely discounted price, and I usually wait until the next Christmas to buy more. So I definitely got quite a few lotions, but like I said, these are all of my lotions for the year. So yeah, I just wanted to go through and share with you guys what I picked up, and yeah, so let's just get started. So one thing I noticed about this year, I actually found my invoice from last year, and I remember the prices being just a little bit better. Like I was getting lotions for like $2.60 a piece, and like most of them now are like $3.60 a piece, so I don't know, it was a little bit better of a deal last year. But either way, I still got these like for such an insanely discounted price, and honestly, just knowing that if I wait one time a year I can get these for so cheap, it pretty much keeps me from wanting to buy from them all throughout the year. So yeah, I ended up getting quite a few, but let's get started. Okay, so the first lotion I got, this was actually a shower gel scent that I had gotten, I think either last year or the year before, and I loved the scent of that one so much. They still had that shower gel available, and I almost like wanted to get like one of everything in the scent, but I ended up just going for the lotions just because I feel like those are the things that I use the most and last the longest on me. So this is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, and all of the ones I got are the Ultra Shea body butters. For some reason, I just really like these. So I ended up getting 2 bottles of these because I love this one so much. I wanted to go crazy and just buy like 10 of these, but I just didn't want to go that crazy. And for whatever reason, the one scent I really wanted was more expensive than all the other ones. This was $6.75 a piece, so it was like $13.50 for the 2 of those. The rest of them I got are all like under $4, so I was really happy about that. But I just wish like the one I really wanted, like why couldn't that one have been like the cheapest one? Another thing, it was a lot of these I just picked them based off the name. I don't think I've owned any of these except for one other one before, but I mean, with Bath & Body Works, I feel like you really kind of can't go wrong with their scent. So a lot of these I just picked off the names. So the next one I got is called Hot Cocoa and Cream, and it looks like this. This one smells so good. I just love like chocolatey kind of scent. So if you're someone who does not like that fake kind of chocolate scent, you probably wouldn't like this one, but I really like this one. This one was $3.62, and the regular price of these are like $14.50. I would never pay that much for this lotion, ever. Especially when I know I can get it for like dollars at the end of the year. The next one I got is Winter Candy Apple. This one was $3.25. This one, I don't believe I've had this one before, but it smells really good, really sweet. A little bit of that appley kind of scent, so that's one that I think I'll really love. The next one I got, this one is called Santa's Blueberry Shortbread, and this one was $3.62. This one I was like kind of really, I don't know, it was a little off the wall because I feel like I don't really go for blueberry scents too much. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. It smells like a blueberry muffin. The other thing is I can never decide like which one to like use first. So yeah, it's gonna be really hard trying to figure out which one I want to use. But I do also have just a few lotions left over from last year whenever I bought my year's worth of lotion. So I still have a couple of those that I want to get through first before I crack into any of these. That way I'm just kind of like, you know, using up products I already got. The next one I got because they did not have the scent that I wanted, and I thought maybe this was the next closest thing. The one I wanted was one I bought last year, and it was, I believe it was like Gingerbread Swirl or something, like Gingerbread Swirl, something like that. This one is called Gingerbread Latte, and I have to say it doesn't smell as amazing as the other one, but it definitely still smells really good. And this one was $3.25. But I used to think I was not like a fan of gingerbread scents until I tried that one that I bought last year, and I fell in love with that scent. That's like the current lotion I'm using right now, and I'm just gonna be so sad when I use that one up. The next one I got was Christmas Cookies. This one was $3.62, and it smells exactly like you would imagine, just sugary, sweet, sugar cookie kind of scent. I really like this one as well. The next one I got was Frosted Coconut Snowball. This one I'd have to say is probably my least favorite out of all of the ones I got, but it still smells like really good. Like it doesn't smell bad at all, but it's probably my least favorite, even though I like coconut scents. I don't know, I just feel like there's other things that I like so much more, but still a really good one. And that one was $3.25. The next one I got was Vanilla Bean Noel. I feel like, you know, that's a given. You just have to get it. So that one was $3.25. And then I got Raspberry Sugar. This one was $3.25 as well. This one is just another one of those really fruity, sweet scents. And the very last one I got came in its own box all on its own. I guess it was just the one lotion that couldn't fit in the box, so I got 2 boxes and this was the only one in the other one. And this was Bright Lemon Snowdrop, and this one was $3.62. And I'm so glad I got this one because it smells just like lemon cake, which used to be my favorite cake ever when I was little. And I kind of just forgot how much I love lemon cake, and I want to like just eat one now. Oh, smells exactly like lemon cake of my dreams from like when I was little. So overall I spent about 50-ish bucks, give or take, on all of these, but I did get 11 lotions, which I don't know, for me I feel like that's not bad because I just spent $50 on my lotion for the year, and I know they last me a little bit longer than a year, especially since I'm kind of crazy and stuff and I like to collect a lot of these, but these are not things that I want to like hoard an obsessive amount of. I don't know if I'll end up buying anything more in the springtime when they do their semi-annual sale. I've never actually purchased from them then. Usually I always just wait for Christmas because I feel like it's just really good deals and I like all the Christmassy fall kind of scents that they're trying to get rid of. But yeah, so those are all of the lotions that I got from Bath & Body Works. Let me know if you guys got anything. Obviously they also sell like their candles and their shower gels and just all kinds of stuff at discounted rates, but I always just seem to go for the lotions. Those are just like my favorite. Every once in a while I do like to get a couple body mists, but for this time I was just feeling the lotions. So yeah, that is it for everything I got from Bath & Body Works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.